All right, guys, taking a trade on gold. We took 5 long. Stop loss is below the recent swing low. Well, not technically not below it, but that's my my bias is long because we're above VWAP. This blue line below the negative 100. And then we just had a swing low. I'm on a 100 tick chart. Let's experiment. Let's see if this trade plays out. 1-to-1 risk to reward. If we lose this, we just go short. That's the mentality behind this scalp right here. This is $1 million plays. If you look in the top left, that's my balance trade. This is a trading strategy I'm working on, where I'm basically trading swing lows and swing highs on a tick chart, Heikin-Ashi candles. Looks like this trade is going to be an L. So if this trade turns out to be an L, we're gonna go right back short, and then we're gonna put our stop loss above the recent swing high. So let's see how this plays out. Looks like it's gonna lose, but we still don't know. So we're not gonna stop out yet until we get a confirmation that trade isn't gonna play out. So we'll see. Boom, 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 boom. Let this play out. There we go. I don't care if I lose this trade because I'm just gonna go back the other way if I lose this. So it's not a huge deal to take an L right here. But it looks like it's flipping back our way. So swing low seems to have held. So that should be a good sign that we should get some bullish buyers right now on gold. And I don't know if it's going to hold. Let's keep it going. Come on, guys. Let's go here. NASDAQ would have did this a lot faster. Now, here we go. We can lower our risk now. Maybe $60. Or I can go below this swing low. Let's do 80 instead of 100. And then here's something you can do too. Like when you're winning, so let's say we're up a little bit, you can take one contract, and then you can offload them, up to the if you want to do that, up to the target, because sometimes it won't make it to your target, and then if you do take a loss, you don't take a loss on all 5. So I might do that, right? Actually,
order filled.
Just to lower the risk a little bit. So here's a few contracts in.
Order filled.
So boom, we've taken 2 off now, and then we can
order filled.
Taken 3 off. Now we can lower our risk a little bit. Now we're only risking $12. I'm sure we've already made more than that, and boom, we're out. That whole trade played out, but it's just a way to manage risk. Now I'll show you guys the opposite way. I'm sure we're gonna get a swing high, and then we can try it the other way, or we can just look for a pullback. Since this is such a strong bullish uptrend, we might wait for a pullback. We're just gonna wait for price to hit, the EMAs, one of the EMAs, bounce, take another long, put stop loss below the swing, the bounce. But if we get a reversal, we'll take a short. This was a big trade. I should have trailed it. I didn't think it was going to go that high, but whatever. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. I'm pretty sure we're going to get some sellers in the next minute or two. Yeah. See, I should have looked trying to hit this. Probably trying to tap off these highs right here. Was that high day? Yeah, I think that was high day. Okay, so here we go. Oh, are we getting this? Okay, here we go. All right, so we should get at least a pullback, if not a reversal. So here we go. We get this pullback. Now we got to see what's going to happen. Are we going to get the bounce? If we get the bounce, we're going to go long. If we break that level right there, we're going to go short. That's the strategy. So we broke the level.
Order
Let's take
filled.
a short. Oops.
Order filled.
Let's take
Order
5 short,
filled.
just how I took 5 long. Okay. Same deal. Stop loss 100, 100. This time will be a little bit more. Okay, here's the thing though. Since I am, okay, this looks like it's not going to play out. All right.
Order filled.
We got the bounce, so
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
That was not
Order
good.
filled.
Let's take
Order
10
filled.
here. Okay. Gotta double that up. All right, here we go. Now, I was going to take it off fast if it were to go against me or whatever. All right, so let's see if we can get to 4K account balance. We're at 3,800. I lost that last trade, lost my money back. So this time we're going for about $200. Now, as we see it come up, we can start, like I say,
Order filled.
Start putting limit orders in. I'll put a few in here.
Order filled.
Take some risk off the table.
Order
we're
filled.
At 3,900 already.
Order filled.
Because if it does come back down, we don't want to be in too heavy. This is scalping, so we can't expect it to always go our way. See, look,
Order
it's already
filled.
having trouble, so let's get up out of this trade.
Order filled.
Right 39, 34. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. It kind of started coming back down. So you see how it's bouncing. Okay, so we can just take another entry though. Here's the thing though. So we'll take 5 this time. Boom.
Order filled.
We get a bounce. So that's cool. This will be our swing low right here. Trying to move this stop loss up. Okay, stop loss $65. Take profit $100. And actually, yeah. Okay, boom. Same deal, right? Let's go back to here. Let's try to scale out of it if we can.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get a few contracts off. Let's take one off here. No, I don't
Order
like it.
filled.
Let's get
Order
out of this
filled.
because
Order filled.
Let's flat that.
Order filled.
Right. That wasn't much because it was it's having trouble here. We're at the high of the day, so it might break this high. Oh man, I should have stayed in. Jesus Christ. Anyway, let's try to get to 4,000. I know this has been kind of slow. I normally do this on the NASDAQ, but I'm trying it on gold, just seeing if this strategy works on all platforms. I mean, on all assets and shit. It looks like it does. But you need the tick charts and Heikin-Ashi candles. If you don't have ticks, maybe you can do seconds. I don't know if we do the 15 seconds, pretty similar. But I think the ticks are more accurate. Not quite sure if it is or not. Just waiting for a pullback or a reversal. I'm not gonna touch a continuing trade because we don't know. We don't know what's gonna happen here. So it looks okay. So this is either a pullback or a reversal. So if we break this low, we're gonna take a sell. Let's
Order filled.
Let's go 5. Okay, stop loss $100. Take profit another $100. That's a pretty big red candle. So let's hope this holds. But we're gonna try to play safe here. If it doesn't start going our way really quickly, we're gonna flat it. And let's start buying it back down here. So here we go. Oop.
Order filled.
Let's take some off.
Order
We
filled.
gotta take that risk off always.
Order filled.
We don't want a lot of risk, guys.
Order
let's
filled.
Get out of that. Okay. Flat it. All right, we're up a little bit more, but it's just moving kind of slow, so I don't like it, I mean, okay, thankfully it's going down. I mean, I'm used to the NASDAQ, so the NASDAQ moves a lot faster than this. So I'm expecting it to pull back and fly up like the NASDAQ always does, but I guess gold is a little bit more respectful to to the market structure, and it's a little slower of an asset, which I kind of like. I'm just trying to see if I can scalp this to 4K, because I took a big W and then I took a big L, and now I'm like taking a couple of partials. We're up a little bit, but we're not fully up. Okay, so here we're either this is going to be a pullback or this is going to be a reversal. So I don't know if you guys can see this idea. This is just like an idea I've been coming with. Okay, so this looks like a reversal. Let's wait till the candle closes, because we don't know. We need to wait for a candle close. We don't want to take it without it closing. Here we go.
Order filled.
All right,
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, stop loss. It's pretty. Actually, I'm gonna put my stop loss a little bit tighter, because I don't like risking too much. Like $80 is fine. All right, now take profit around 70. Now here we go. Let's let this thing run a little bit. All right, let's take one off. Take one off. Oh, let's take some more.
Order filled.
Boom, we up 4,000. There we go, just like that, guys. So there's a 100 tick scalping, micro gold, 100 tick Heikinashi. And you see, you guys don't really need no indicators. I'm just using EMAs. Really ignore the volume profile. Ignore all that. I'm just using the green or the red for the candles. And then when you get a swing low and you get a reversal candle, then you take a long. You get a swing high, you get a reverse candle, take a short. You get a pullback, you continue the same way. You know, if this would have came up here and bounced and came down, I would have took a reversal. I would have took a continuation trade. Since we had the reversal, I took the reversal trade. Like right here was a nice pullback. You see, you got a nice TP off of that. If you know, but I sold out. I got scared. Had two pullbacks though. That's why I took this little scalp, took this pullback, and then I kind of sold out right here. But yeah, once you win a little bit, then walk away too. Learn to walk away, because it's only going to give you so many opportunities. Like every opportunity is not going to be a W. I think I lost around here where it started getting a little choppy. So that can happen, but if you let's say you took a long right here, as long as you kept your swing low point down here, even though the market dipped, you still would have won. But then, if you took this as a reversal and had your stop right here, and it would have came up and hit you. So sometimes it doesn't work every time. So on certain setups, here's the thing. Sometimes when you lose, you get the direction so you can like double up and risk a little bit, like double. I would risk almost double, like if I lose, because then I'm pretty sure about the direction. But sometimes you might lose two in a row, so just be careful. Like don't over risk. Like let's see if this is a reversal or a pullback. I'm just gonna do this one in like a small trade, because I really don't want to take any trades right now. I'm just not feeling it. But that's the strategy, guys.